going to show you how to use Mediator boards to install Pulsa Links onto Anova and Siltel sensors and case plates. It's a great way of bringing these sensors onto the Pulsa dashboard, and it's convenient. You won't have to change any of your existing plumbing. So the DataOnline sensors have two sets of connectors that are indicated on this tab. So right off the bat, we already know that it's going to be either one of these two sets of connectors, the green ones or the black ones. So the sensor comes up through here and is connected through this connector. This connector, to open it, there's a little tab here. I find it's easy to use a flathead and pull the tab open and then pull the sensor out. So then you grab the mediator, and again, these are matching connectors. You can see that they look the same. So where you pulled the sensor out, you can connect this one end into the same spot, and then the sensor itself goes into the other connector there. So that's the mediator connected on one side, and then to connect the link, you would want to insert this through one of these water sealing glands, and they would come through the bottom. The DataOnline units, the connectors that correspond to this unit is a 5 volt, 0 to 5 volt, as it's indicated here, which means that we're going to connect it to the Pulsa 5 volt, which is Pulsa 5 volt link. The other one is a 15 volt link. So we would take the link cable that comes with the link and connect it to these 4 tabs with the colors corresponding. And so you'd insert each of these into the tabs and then clamp them shut with these screws. And after that's done, which I won't follow through on doing that step, you can put the mediator inside, close the faceplate back up. Of course, it corresponds to a 5 volt link, so you want to make sure you use a 5 volt, 0 to 5 volt link. You connect the cable and then mount the link somewhere on the side, either using double-sided adhesive that comes with each link, or you could use screw mounts in these tabs. The Pulsa Link transfers measures similar to all the rest of Pulsa sensors, so you would need to get a Pulsa gateway to transmit.